Yeah, it's a long day. That's the challenge. The closer you get to game time, the more your mind is running with you sometimes, and especially when it's a late kickoff like tomorrow, 7:30, and normally when it's a 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock game, things happen quite fast and quick and in it. So the reality is we have to manage the day calmly, and we've got a plan in place when the guys will have a bit of free time, but also get together and so on. And then once it's about 3-4 hours before kickoff, then the real McCoy start. Then we're into a set routine. But yeah, again, it's just a great privilege to be here, and we haven't changed a lot. We stick to the stuff we've done for the last couple of weeks. Keep it simple, and we can just still enjoy it. I think that's the most important part. That we're so driven. Everybody wants success, but ultimately it's still a talent and still a blessing and still a sport that we have to enjoy.
Congratulations on making it this far. All the best.
Thank you very much.